Yes.
My brother written all the words till 9 words.
हाँ तो I am asking that one. Give it to me. Verbs were there ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Some words and
हाँ, let write here again.
and page number.
First word was there. Tafhamu. Tafhamu. It is not in book. This was from worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
It was from worksheet. Oh, yes. Tafhamu.
Yahuna.
Yabuduna. Yabuduna.
Yaftahani.
Yaftahani.
Yas'alna.
Yes. It is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Allah.
Ta'lamuna.
Ta'lamuna. Taqta'ani. Tasma'ina. Tadrusna. What more? Tadrusna. Yes. So in this question, what you have to do? You have to analyze these verbs. Verbs are given. You have to analyze them. है ना? Give it to her. You have to select alamat muzara, है ना? Sign of muzara, and you have to write that zamair which are attached in this. As exercise 4. This is worksheet of exercise 4. Okay. So there you have done like tafamu. Tafamu was there. What is attached here to make fele muzara? What I said, you have to write this is harful muzara. This is harful muzara. Yes. And fahima is al-fi'lul asli. Okay. And i'rabuhu alamatu i'rabihi az-zammatu. Alamatu i'rabihi az-zammatu. This you have to write na. Like that. As here it is written yazhabu harful muzara, ya harful muzara, zahaba zamirun muspatirun, ta harful muzara, alamat and i'rab sign also you have to write. And fa'iluhu, who is its fa'il? Fa'iluhu zamirun mustatirun. Fa'iluhu zamirun mustatir. Mustatir means hidden. You can write here. Mustatir. It means a hidden zamir there. Hidden pronoun. Zamir means pronoun. Okay? Zamir, pronoun, and mustatir means hidden. Okay. Like that, ya'buduna. Analyze ya'buduna.
Ya is added and ya is harfi muzara.
Okay.
Mean fine and nun is alamati rafa.
Ya is alamat muzara. This is harful muzara.
Abud is al-waw asli.
Abada is
Al-fi'l
asli.
Waw.
Waw is ma huwa waw? Huwa fa'ilun. Jama muzakkar waw comes as fa'il. As fa'il waw comes. So al waw wa Failun. Failun. And nun. Alamatul. Alamatul rafa. Alamatul rafa. Means how fail muzara is made? First of all, we have to add harful muzara. Harful muzara plus al-fi'lul asli. Then plus file plus alamatul muzara. These things we have to pick out in every alamatul rafa. Okay, these things we have to pick out in every page. Now understood? Here Yafahane is coming. Analyze it. Ya is harful muzara. Fatha is fail. Yes, this is failul asli. Alif is file. Yes. Alamatul rafa. Okay, mashallah. Mashallah. Alamatul rafa. Yes. So, all of you understood? Now quickly pick out. I am writing another exercise here. You have to just the time I am writing another exercise. All of you have to complete this one. Okay? How many are left? 1, 2, 3 to are done. 1, 2, 3. Acha here. File. Yes or not? Let us do it. Yeah. What is yeah? Muzara. Yes. Sa'ala is fail. Al-failul asli. Okay. Noon is file. Noon is file and i'rab is mabni ala sukun. Mabni ala sukun. Okay. Mabni ala sukun. Okay. After in every you will find that i'rab is added after file, but here after file nothing is there. Okay. Noon is coming and last letter of fail is sakin. That's why we will say this is mabni ala sukun. Okay, as we are saying here, it is tafhamu is alamatul muzara zamma. Okay, last letter of fail has zamma. That's why we are saying that this is waqafa al-failul asli. Come and sit here and write. Come on the floor and keep your copy here and do quickly. Right. After that you have to go to your seat. Keep it here. Do quickly. All of you have written the word. Now you can do now. And if tasmaina, ta is look. I am doing this one. Alamatul muzara, harful muzara. Okay, sorry. Harful muzara. Harful muzara. And samia is al-fi'lul asli.
Ya is fa'il.
Okay, jazakallah. This you are understanding. MashaAllah. Rabbi zidhu ilman. Rabbi zidha ilman. Rabbi zidha ilman. Allah increase her knowledge. Okay. Try to understand you all. My dua is for you all. Okay. Ya is file and noon is
alamatul rafa.
Okay, mashallah. This is alamatul rafa. Mashallah. Doing good. Yes. Done? Mashallah. Done na? So, may I raise it?
No, ma'am.
So how I will write second question? It is coming now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, take my book.
No, beta, book I do not want. I am searching that exercise which I have written now here. Worksheet page I am searching. All 6 class pages are here and 5th class page is not there. Don't talk. No talking.
Ma'am, she is saying that showing your arm.
No, why she will show? But I am explaining for you. Try to understand yourself and write.
No, I'm not asking her answer. I'm saying how much clean she have done. I'm saying
As how many?
she have done clean.
She has done clean. How you have done clean? You have to use your own trick to write it. And you can do like this. One word you have to write in front of this. You can write that, or you have to write under it. Okay, underline the word.
Ma'am, what is it? Alamati Rafa. Yafani. Noon is.
This is not known. After alif is added, so alamat rafa.
Ma'am, what is that?
Noon is alamat rafa. This one, mabni ala sukun. Ya buduna al failul asli. You cannot read. This is like that.
No, ma'am, I have not done.
Your page.
Ma'am, you erase. No, sorry. Yes, ma'am. That's not erase.
Down one you have written tafamu and yabuduna. This is done.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Do quickly.
yes, ma'am, done. I'm all done.
Some girls has done, Saddo hasn't done. You?
I'm done.
So you are taking rest also only, not writing anything. Done. Only 3 words are left here to write. Tamaluna and Tapane and Tadrusna. Although I have done at the board. These 3 only. Don't write a single word. There is no need to write. So plain page is enough also. Okay? All are done, but you have to write from all the words and you have to analyze it. Write the words quickly, after that you have to analyze yourself. Okay? Because time is not there, too much time. I am going to erase. I have written words. Tadrusna. Tadrusna. Whose copy is this? To take now. Take it. Okay, time will finish. Write the words. One example. Write 1, 2 example. After that you have to do yourself. Okay. So it will be better because it will be clear to you how it will be written. May I erase? This was first question, na?
Yes.
Not done? So my words you have written or not? Till now. Zainab, you are taking too much time. Online classes you are not attending. Yes. be seen?
Yes.
See, see that is not that.
Yes.
It is coming.
Mine even one day.
The sound means.
This one tongue.
The sound means
This are women.
women. है ना women. This is jama of imratun and nisa.
Then what we have to do is I have to copy it like this.
Yes. You have to write like this.
What we have to do like this is and what we have to do? Now what is the first word in alif one?
But now we write first. Let me write. After that I will say.
Alif one word. It is an alif and a ba. So second one. Second one. Alif one. And what is the meaning of Kali?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is second one?
Karafina. Karafina.
Ma'am, this one plural.
Eh?
Ma'am, alif down. Antum.
First one. Are first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Antum. Fatimatu. Hamidun wa Khalidun. An-Nisa'u. Antum. This is antum. Antum, Fatimatu, Hamidun, wa Khalidun, An-Nisa'u, Anti, Nahnu. Ta'rifina salasa lughatin. This is the second one. What you are writing? Nothing that you have written till now. And only you are talking. What is it? Eh? So you have to correct it now. You are writing correct here and here and not here. This is correct properly you should write now. Erase it and write. Yes. Kaifa yuktabu. Na'lamu kaifa yuktabu. Know how anything can be, how it will be written. है ना? Writing. We know writing. Yes. Now you have to match tabiqi juz al alif ma al ba. You have to match it. From this I can understand कि which sigha you are using can be used with which one. है ना? Jazm. Yuktabu. Till now, first what you are writing, sentence you are doing. How much time you are taking? Salasa lughatin. Lughatun, mama lughatun? Language, yes. And arafa yarifa means? To know, yes. Memorize word meaning you all. Understand? I will take test of word meaning. Surprise test will be there of word meaning of all 3 chapters. Okay? So you one by one chapter you have to memorize all word meaning. And my period will be tomorrow, so I will take tomorrow. Otherwise, the next day. Which one?
First sentence of alba.
Na'lamu kaifa yuktabu. Ta'rifina salasa lughatin. Tajlisuna fil fasli. Tahfazu surat ar-Rahmani. Yaktubani darsa. Yatbakhna ta'ama. Yes. Up till now, how much time will take in writing? I am not knowing. Tahfazu surat ar-Rahmani. Done? Yes. Yaktubani. Yaktubani. Yatbakhna ta'ama. Yatbakhna ta'ama. Yaktubani. Done. Till now you haven't written. Complete it quickly then. Yes. Because we have to do it also. Now we will write the whole period. Time is going to be up. This. Tahfazu surat ar-Rahmani. Yatbakhna ta'ama. यतबखना तामा. तो राइट ना. You have done matching also. Show me.
I'm done.
This is yajlisuna, tajlisuna. Ya is there or ta is there? So, what you have written? Correct it. And yeah, come here. Rufaida. You have written with kasra. There will come. What is written there? Or you have written? Why? When there comes? Do you know when there comes? If any harfejar will be there before it, then harfejar it will come, na? So harfejar is not there. It is the mubtada. What is the i'rab of mubtada? So how you are doing mistake this? Okay, be careful. Done. Acha. Everyone has written? Now what I explained, that verb will come according the noun which is coming before it. Verb will come according the noun which is coming before it. I have to add noun. Noun or pronouns are coming now. So antum comes for, what is the meaning of antum?
Second person plural male.
Okay. Second person plural male. You all boys. है ना? You all men. अच्छा. तो which sigha will come? Which sentence will match? Which sigha will match with antum? Okay, mashallah. Antum will match with tajlisuna. Tajlisuna comes for jama muzakkar. Second person jama muzakkar. Ta comes for second person. Waw comes for jama muzakkar. Look at the blackboard. What is going on? You both. Now, Fatimatu. Fatimatu is third person singular. Third person singular. Which sentence will match with it? Tahfazu. Third person singular female comes for tahfazu. Ta will be added. Like zahabat. So this ta will come in the starting of fi'l mudari. This ta, zahabat. So it will be tazhabu. Okay? Yes. So this is correct. Hamidun wa Khalidun. Yaktubani will come. Why? Hamidun wa Khalidun. Acha, they are two boys. Very good, mashallah. Mashallah, mashallah. Yes.
And alif is the sign of musanna.
Yes, yaktubani. Yes. Allah save you from every evil. Good girls, mashallah. So Hamidun wa Khalidun yaktubani darsa. Okay? Yes. Anti comes for mukhatab, one girl. है ना? To whom we are addressing, you one girl. Ya comes for mukhatab. So it will be anti narina. Okay, mashallah. Yes. Nahnu. Nahnu. Na'lamu. Nahnu. Noon. है ना? Look carefully. Noon is coming here. Here also noon coming. है ना? So it will be na'lamu. Nahnu. Na'lamu. है ना? Memorize the sign. है ना? It will be easy then. An-nisa'u. An-nisa'u يطبخن الطعام. Okay?
Then the wife cooks the food.
Yes. Now one thing you have to do. It is very good that you are understanding. So which verb you have written in first exercise, that verbs you have to use in sentence. Make sentences using the verbs which are coming in exercise first. Okay? Clear? My question is clear? You can write it. Okay? Now I am writing that question. Kabbin Jumalan. What is the meaning of Kabbin? Make. Kabbin Jumalan. Mufidatan. Mustamilan. Mustamilan. Using. Mustamilan means using. Mustamilan al-af'alil atiya. Al-af'alil atiya. في الجزء في السؤال الأول. في السؤال الأول. In first question. Okay? This was second question of worksheet. This was second question of worksheet, and this is third question of worksheet. Okay? Yes.